Italian accent challenge. This won't be exactly a challenge because I'm Italian, but I want to give you an advice if you want to learn our accent, the Italian accent. Really important if you want to talk a proper Italian accent is to pronounce every single word. That means that if we have two consonants, we have to pronounce them both. So words like leather will be letter. Another important thing is our R sound, which is a really strong one. So something like your name and username. So my name is Luke, my username is Lucaspath. Where are you from? I'm from Italy. Pronounce the following words: aunt, roof, root, theater, iron, salmon, caramel, fire, water, New Orleans, or New Orleans, I think that's kind of the same thing. Pecan, or pecan, I've never heard this word before actually. Boat, yeah, in fact we don't have the TH sound, so it's just like boat. I think Irish people talk this way. I'm not really sure. Again, probably, Alabama, lawyer, coupon, mayonnaise, pajamas, in Italy we say pyjama, coat, naturally, aluminium, Jif, crackerjack, doorknob, I've never heard this word before, doorknob, I don't know, I pronounce it doorknob, but not really sure. Envelope, gepoi. What is a bubbly carbonated drink called? Well, I think soda is okay because we have it too. So like, I'd like a soda. Vorrei una soda. What do you call your grandparents? Well, granny is nonna, grandpa is nonno. So that's it. Remember, if you want to talk a proper Italian accent, you have to pronounce every single word. But I think I noticed that many American people do. Don't try it too hard because it's more natural, like bruschetta. End the audio post by saying 3 words. Thanks for watching.